Hey, welcome back. I'm your girl Cooking with Tammy, and today I have a treat for you guys. Another appetizer, but not just any appetizer. Now, I know most of you have heard or tried hush puppies before. However, today I'm going to show you how I make my delicious stuffed crab hush puppies. Man, when I tell you these things are going to be melt in your mouth, delicious. Continue watching and let's head on over to the kitchen and let's get to cooking. The ingredients for our seafood hush puppies are: we have some cornmeal right here. We also have some self-rising flour. We have milk in the back, as you can see, salt, granulated sugar, paprika. We also have shallots. Now here's the thing. If you don't have shallots, you could always opt for using onions. Onions work best as well. We also have some cayenne pepper, as well as 1 egg, red bell peppers, and some green bell peppers. And of course, the star of the show, we have some crab claw meat. Yes, we do. So with all of that being said, let's get to cooking. First thing we're going to add to our bowl is our cornmeal. And if you don't have yellow, you can always use white cornmeal as well. It works really good. Flour. Add some salt, which is kind of stuck in this little ramekin right here. Also going to add some sugar. Our paprika. Cayenne pepper for that little bit of spice. And we're going to go on with our whisk and we're going to combine it really good. We're going to mix it all in. And of course, when it comes to our dry ingredients, we are finished. How quick and how easy. It's almost like making a cake, right? Mix it in really, really good. And this right here is it. Next up is going to be our milk. And of course, this is whole milk. If you don't want to use milk, guess what? You can add some beer. Beer works really good as well. We're also going to add an egg. Our shallots. Of course, like I said, substitute with those onions if you want to. It's absolutely your preference and whatever you have in your refrigerator. We're not going to make it complicated. And we're also going to add these bell peppers right here. And we're going to switch off. What we're going to do is we're going to use our spatula. Yes, we are. We're done with the whisking. Now we're just going to incorporate everything with the spatula. Mix it up really good. Keep mixing and keep combining. Now here's the thing. If your batter is a little bit on the dry side, add a little bit more milk. And this is the consistency that we need right here. All right. Also, we have our seafood. So we are going to add our claw crab to this mix. To our hush puppy mixture. Yes, we are. Now, if you want to add lump crab, it's up to you. If you want to add claw crab, it's totally up to you as well. The claw crab is a little bit less. You hear me? The claw crab is a little bit less than coarse. So it's totally optional. It's going to get the job done either way. See those bite-sized pieces right there of claw meat right there? Perfect. We're going to add the whole thing. I mean, why not, right? Let's go all in. Combine it, fold it in, fold it in, fold it in, fold it in. And this right here is perfect. We have the perfect consistency going on. Perfect texture, and this is going to be everything. What we're going to do is we're going to use our scooper, our little scoop right here. We're going to scoop these bad boys out, and we're going to place it into our hot oil and get to frying. We're going to go in and we're going to scoop it on out just like that. And we're going to drop it into the hot oil. Perfect. As you can see, it's already browning perfectly. So what we're going to do is we're going to just turn it over just a bit, because we want that even brown color all over, not just on top, not just on the bottom. And with this, of course, as you can see, we got to work kind of fast, because in no time at all it's done. And you don't want your hush puppies to burn. And also make sure your flame is not up too high because you don't want your hush puppies to cook prematurely, meaning perfectly brown on the outside, but when you bite into it, it's raw. So you want that balance. You want to have your heat on either low medium or medium heat. Let's add some more, just like that. These are going to be so delicious. I find that it works best when it comes to using the little mini scooper. It's so much easier. So much easier. And of course, you can get the little scooper from either Walmart, ShopRite, or even Amazon. Take it on out, place it right there. Once the hush puppies are nice and brown, we're taking it out of the oil and we're adding more to the oil. We're just keeping that, you know, that assembly line going, that rotation going. Taking it out and we're adding more. We're taking it out and we're adding more. Nothing to it but to do it, and that's what we're doing. Allow it to cook through properly. We want it to be cooked all the way through, not just on top. These are absolutely gorgeous. Not to mention we stuffed it with our crab claw meat. Yes, we're taking our hush puppies to a different level. We're not just making regular hush puppies over here. What are we doing? We're adding seafood to it to make it taste even better. Of course, why not? No time to be a scared chef or a scared cook. Let's make it happen, guys. Let's do it. I'm going to continue frying it up, taking it on out, and I'm going to show you what everything looks like once we're done. That is it. Let's put the seafood platter together, but first we need to make our saucy sauce. So let's get it done. To jazz our buttermilk ranch sauce up, we're going to add our smoked paprika, our ground black pepper, as well as our chili powder, cayenne pepper, and garlic powder. Yes, we are going to add it in there, and we're going to mix it up really good. Make sure everything is well combined. I don't care if it takes you 5 minutes to mix this bad boy up. We got to mix it until it's well combined because we want our sauce to be what? Nice and saucy. We want our saucy sauce to have the element of all perfection. So we're going to mix it all in, and remember, we're using dry ingredients, so you got to make sure you mix it up really, really good to kind of dissolve the powder, you know, or should I say the powders that we use. So garlic powder, cayenne pepper, and so on and so forth. You don't want no gritty texture when you're dipping your sauce. You want it to be nice and smooth. To jazz this sauce up a bit, what we're going to do is we're going to add a little bit of honey, not too much, because we don't want that sweet sauce. We just want to have the perfect balance. Mix it in there really good because we're dealing with honey, and as we all know, honey is very sticky. So you don't want it to be too concentrated in one spot. You want it to be distributed throughout the sauce. Give it a good mix. Mix it up some more. And this should be perfect. And we're going to hit it off with just a little bit of parsley. Parsley is going to definitely give it that pop of color.
Wait a minute, Tammy. Before you go, why is it you have an entire seafood platter staring at us, but you only showed us how to make the crab stuffed hush puppies? You think you slick, huh? Anyway, guys, what I'm going to do for you is, in the bottom of the video, you're going to go to the description bar, and I'm going to have all 3 links listed. How to make spicy southern fried catfish nuggets, as well as how to make southern deep fried delicious shrimp, of course, and of course the hush puppy videos right here. So yeah, you're going to have those links. You're going to click on them if you want to put the seafood platter together. Also, I'm going to have the details for my honey blackened ranch saucy sauce. That's absolutely complimentary and out of this world tasty. So with all of that being said, of course, I'm your girl cooking with Tammy, and I will catch you guys in another video. Talk to you later. Bye, guys. Enjoy.